All right. So we are here with Carey James, and he was very instrumental in what happened here today, organizing and speaking to the players. Carey, just give us an overview of the day's event.
Yeah, I think it was positive overall. So we didn't get as big a turnout as we hoped. So we're hoping that there'll be a couple more players in tomorrow, including the goalkeepers. But I think it was a good exercise. I know we want to take advantage of the players in our diaspora, and so this is sort of the first step of starting to put together some players. See the talent, and we can see the talent because just the couple hours we were here today, we saw a lot of talented players, and so we're hoping that we can continue to put them together so that the program can grow. So we want to definitely take advantage of the players in our diaspora.
Yeah, one of the things, Carey, is that some of the parents were
Mhm.
saying that it would have been good if they got a list of things that they were supposed to like take along, and that kind of got late, right? Do you think that is something that going forward we should do? That probably a week before the actual event, there is a list of things that they're supposed to have. You think that people have to fly from different states to be here, so they can at least know before they make their travel arrangements?
Yeah, definitely agree. Administratively, we have to be better. So this is just the first step. So I do agree that you want to make sure that the parents are fully aware of everything that the players need. And so I think starting from here, the next time hopefully we'll do it better. Equipment wise, whatever they need, especially the ones that are coming from out of town. Like you said, we had a couple players here from as far away as Texas. So it's really important for them to know beforehand, everything that they need when they get here, whether it be equipment or anything else they need administratively. So I think we're going to be working on that as we go along.
Yeah, and I mean, I know like Coach Freddie was unaware that it was spring break.
Yeah.
Which probably means that some families may have been sending their kids are gone away on holidays. Is the timing of the event also an important factor to consider?
Yeah, I think we have to think about that next time as well, because spring break is not a uniform thing. The schools go on spring break at different times, but it's usually around this time of year. So I think that's something that we can consider for next time to make sure that we get the broadest representation of people from not only Florida, which we're here now, but like from the surrounding states. We have to figure that out. But again, this is the first step. We're kind of learning as we go along, so hopefully we'll get that sorted out for the next time that we do something like this.
All right, so thank you so much, Carey, and it was good working with you.
Pleasure as always.